Your body begins to give you minor warning signs at the age of 60. These include a slight tingling sensation in your fingertips, a slight soreness in your knees when you stand up, and legs that feel suddenly heavier and stiffer, as if they had aged more quickly than the rest of your body. The majority of people believe it's a normal aspect of aging, but it's not. These indicate a gradual loss of collagen, the protein that supports healthy muscles, joints, and nerves. Here's the startling truth. You've already lost more than 30% of your natural collagen by the time you're 65. The good news is that these symptoms are entirely avoidable and curable. The 8 most collagen-rich veggies that are easy to purchase in any grocery store or local market are being revealed today. They are listed from least to most potent and have scientific support for helping to repair joint strength, restore nerve function, and revitalize aching hands and legs. The worst part is still to come. It has been demonstrated that the third vegetable can reduce nerve discomfort by as much as 40% in a matter of weeks. Tell me, before we get started, if you feel it more in your hands or your legs. Leave your response in the comments section. Your story counts, so my staff and I read each one and respond. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell if this is useful. We publish easy, scientifically supported recommendations every week to help you age with confidence, feel stronger, and move better. The veggie at number 8 will be our first stop on this journey. Is it recognizable? You might not have guessed though. It might hold the secret to reactivating the collagen engine in your body. The 8th is the vibrant collagen catalyst, red bell peppers. Let's begin with a well-known, yet frequently disregarded topic. Red bell peppers are delicious and crisp, and you may have some in your refrigerator right now, but few people know that half a cup of raw red bell peppers provides more than 150% of your daily vitamin C requirements. The spark that starts the formation of collagen in your body is vitamin C. Collagen production naturally slows down around age 60. That process almost stops when vitamin C levels are low, making muscles less elastic, joints less flexible, and nerves more susceptible. According to a 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older persons who consumed more vitamin C in their diets walked more quickly, had stronger grips, and experienced less inflammation. Red bell peppers are a good source of vitamin C, but they also contain capsaicin, a powerful antioxidant that protects joints and nerves from oxidative stress, the same stress that makes you feel stiff, tingly, and heavy when you move. To maximize their vitamin C content, consume them raw to preserve it, or cut them into salads, sandwiches, or hummus. To reduce nutrient loss, add near the end of stir-fries or soups if cooking. To improve absorption, combine with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. This tiny regular adjustment can activate your body's collagen engine, keeping your hands and joints flexible far into old age. Next up is a leafy green that many people consider to be only a side dish, but it actually silently protects your joints, nerves, and collagen stores every single day. 7. Spinach, your collagen foundation's leafy protector. On the outside, spinach appears delicate and unassuming, but on the inside, it's a collagen regeneration and connective tissue repair powerhouse. Its primary strength is vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which is the nutrition that activates the genes that produce collagen. Your body can hardly begin this process of rebuilding without adequate vitamin A, which results in weaker tendons, stiffer joints, and faster sagging of the skin. Chlorophyll and lutein, 2 protectors that protect collagen fibers from long-term inflammation, are also abundant in spinach, the main cause of collagen loss around joints and nerves, which results in tingling, stiffness, and that heavy sensation after prolonged sitting, is persistent inflammation. Additionally, it supplies magnesium, a mineral that is lacking in more than 60% of older persons. Magnesium promotes nerve signal transmission, muscle relaxation, and the activation of enzymes required for collagen synthesis. Here's a further unstated advantage. Natural nitrates found in spinach aid in blood vessel enlargement and circulation enhancement. Improved blood flow speeds up repair by making it easier for vitamin C, oxygen, and amino acids to reach your joints, nerves, and collagen-producing cells. How should I utilize it? To maintain vitamin C, eat raw in salads. To improve the absorption of beta-carotene and lutein, Lightly sauté in olive oil. Combine with foods high in vitamin C, such as oranges or red bell peppers, to boost the formation of collagen. It's not only a side dish to eat a handful of spinach every day. It's a daily dose of collagen foundation repair for your body. The next vegetable functions as a natural cushion, keeping your joints and nerves moving smoothly and gently every day, if spinach serves as your collagen's shield. Because of its slightly slimy texture, okra may not be everyone's favorite, yet its potency lies in its mucilage. It facilitates easier mobility by lubricating and lowering cartilage friction, much like natural synovial fluid. Pectin and polyphenols, which are also found in okra, are substances that promote the synthesis of collagen and lessen inflammation in connective tissues. After the age of 60, when joints frequently become dry, degraded, and more weak, this is very crucial. It is high in manganese, vitamin K, and vitamin C, all of which are necessary for the formation of robust collagen fibers. Calcium is aided by vitamin K in entering your bones rather than accumulating in your joints. Manganese aids in the synthesis of proline, one of the essential amino acids of collagen, whereas vitamin C serves as the building block for collagen. Here's an added bonus: quercetin, a potent antioxidant found in okra, shields nerves from oxidative damage. This lessens hand and foot tingling, burning, or muscle weakness. How should I utilize it? To retain its nutrients and mucilage, steam or gently boil it. Stir fry, stew, or add to soups. To increase the absorption of antioxidants, pair with salmon or olive oil. Over time, a few servings per week can assist maintain your collagen foundation firmer, joints smoother, and nerves steadier. Before we start today, kindly let me know where you're coming from. Feel free to leave a comment below and ask any questions you may have. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications as well, so you don't miss any of Senior Health Tips' best health tips. And if you're watching now, I want to know if you're with me. Type 1 in the comments section if you find this video to be meaningful. Type 0 otherwise. The Master Builder, a vegetable that may activate repair genes and rebuild your collagen foundation from the inside out, is a strong candidate if okra serves as a joint cushion. 5. Broccoli, your body's collagen rebuilder. Broccoli is more than simply another nutritious vegetable. It is the silent engineer that aids in the restoration of aging degraded collagen-rich tissues, ligaments, and tendons. Its potency comes from sulforaphane, a substance that strengthens detoxification, protects collagen-producing cells, and triggers your body's repair genes. According to studies, sulforaphane speeds up the healing of injured cartilage and lowers inflammation in connective tissues. Vitamin C, K, calcium, and glucosinolates are also abundant in broccoli and are essential for shielding collagen fibers from oxidative stress and inflammation. Calcium is directed into bones rather than joints by vitamin K. Collagen is made from vitamin C, and glucosinolates aid in scavenging harmful free radicals. Another underappreciated advantage is that broccoli helps control blood sugar levels by avoiding glycation, which causes collagen fibers to become brittle and rigid, resulting in less flexible joints and accelerated skin aging. How should I utilize it? To retain sulforaphane, softly steam. To improve the absorption of nutrients, add lemon juice or olive oil. After cooking, add a pinch of mustard powder to reactivate the myrosinase enzyme, which raises the amount of sulforaphane. Broccoli is an easy yet effective strategy to maintain the flexibility of your joints, strengthen your collagen foundation, and support your body's internal anti-aging efforts. The next candidate serves as a delivery mechanism, ensuring that nutrients and oxygen get to the precise location where collagen repair is most needed, if broccoli aids in starting the healing process. 4. Beets, the collagen and joint circulation enhancer. Although beets are notable for their rich red hue, their real benefit is increased circulation, which is essential for collagen regrowth and maintaining the health of joints and nerves. Nitrates, which are abundant in beets, are transformed by your body into nitric oxide, a substance that increases blood flow, expands blood vessels, and provides more oxygen and nutrients to areas that require repair. This is crucial for persons over 60 because inadequate circulation deprives collagen-producing cells of the basic materials they need to function effectively. Additionally, they contain betanin, a potent antioxidant that protects collagen fibers from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of nerve damage and joint degeneration. Not to be overlooked is folate, a B vitamin that is necessary for connective tissue inflammation, reduction, and cell regeneration. Additionally, folate lowers homocysteine, an inflammatory marker associated with blood vessel stiffness and collagen deterioration. How should I utilize it? Roast or steam to preserve nutrients. No added sugar, just fresh beet juice. To improve nitrate absorption and nitric oxide production, shred raw and add to salads along with citrus fruits. You can help your joints and nerves heal more quickly and move more smoothly by adding beets to your diet a few times a week. The next meal is the rare building material. If beets are the pump that distributes nutrients throughout your body, your skin, joints, and nerves need a solid foundation, which your collagen-producing cells must restore. 3. Seaweed, the collagen-renewing mineral treasure. Seaweed contains unique nutrients that few veggies can match, despite its seemingly plain or even unknown appearance. First of all, it contains a lot of trace minerals like copper, manganese, and zinc, which are essential for activating the enzymes that link and arrange collagen strands. The collagen regeneration process slows to a crawl in the absence of these minerals, which makes tendons weak, joints stiff, and skin more prone to drooping. Fucoidan, a special substance present in marine plants, is also present in seaweed. Studies have shown that it can reduce inflammation in connective tissues and in nerve pathways while also stimulating cells that produce collagen. Iodine, which is necessary to sustain thyroid function, cannot be overlooked. The rate of tissue healing and metabolism are both regulated by a functioning thyroid. Many elderly people are unaware that they have moderate hypothyroidism, which can cause tingling in the limbs, muscle pains, and sluggish wound healing. This is naturally corrected by seaweed. It also contains plant sterols and omega-3 fatty acids, which help to maintain the suppleness of blood vessels, joints, and skin. How should I utilize it? Select dried seaweed with no additional oils and low sodium content. Blend into smoothies or sprinkle over salads and soups. Your body can receive rare minerals that support collagen from just a few meals per week. You may provide your body with the raw elements it needs to rebuild collagen and shield your joints and nerves from the deterioration of time by using a few sheets of seaweed every week. If seaweed offers unique minerals to create your collagen base, the next candidate acts as a potent anti-aging barrier, preventing harm to each collagen fiber and accelerating the healing process. 2. Asparagus, the antioxidant protection for your collagen. Although it may seem like a nice restaurant side dish, after the age of 60, asparagus is a significant ally in maintaining and repairing collagen. Its high glutathione content, the body's master antioxidant, is its most notable characteristic. By neutralizing free radicals, glutathione lowers oxidative stress, which is the primary cause of collagen degradation and the rapid deterioration of connective tissues. Vitamin K, which is abundant in asparagus, helps to maintain cartilage and joints by directing calcium into bones. Collagen formation depends on the absorption of vitamin C, magnesium, and zinc, which are all improved by prebiotic fiber and folate, which is necessary for cell and tissue regeneration. How should I utilize it? To retain taste and nutrition, steam or softly roast with garlic and olive oil. Steer clear of overcooking since it lowers glutathione and folate. To increase the advantages of recuperation, pair with salmon or eggs. It's not simply a culinary improvement when you incorporate a few spears of asparagus into your weekly dinners. It's a natural method to preserve tight, healthy skin, keep joints flexible, and protect collagen. A modest herb holds the top spot on today's list, if asparagus is the powerful barrier protecting your collagen. Its ability to restore collagen is superior to that of several so-called superfoods, which you may have been ignoring for years. 1. Parsley, the collagen champion. Although it might appear to be merely a garnish, parsley is actually a secret hero when it comes to repairing collagen and maintaining the health of your skin, joints, and nerves. Parsley has more vitamin K than kale and more vitamin C than oranges, gram for gram. In order to prevent the collagen-rich cartilage from stiffening and degenerating, vitamin K channels calcium into bones, rather than allowing it to accumulate in joints or arteries. Vitamin C is the most important raw material your body requires to make collagen. Apigenin, a strong anti-inflammatory substance found in parsley, shields collagen-producing cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, apigenin relieves joint and nerve pain, tingling, and discomfort. In addition, parsley increases glutathione, the body's primary antioxidant, which promotes tissue healing, circulation, and detoxification. How should I utilize it? Sprinkle over soups, smoothies, roasted veggies, salads, and eggs. When taken regularly, a few teaspoons each day can significantly increase skin firmness, flexibility, and joint comfort. Don't be fooled by the modest size of parsley. It is the king of restoring the collagen base that has been lost by your body over time. Keep this in mind before we close. Stiff joints, tingling hands, or feeble legs are not inevitable signs of aging. They are merely your body's signal that it requires internal nourishment. And you've learned today, 8 vegetables that are scientifically supported, reasonably priced, and easily accessible. That can keep you walking strong and living life to the fullest every day. Rebuild collagen and shield your joints and nerves. Now, let me ask you, will you begin by strengthening your weak legs or your tingling hands? Leave your response in the comments section. Your tale is important. So I will read and cherish each and every one of them. We're here every week to support you in becoming stronger, more stable, and happier after 60. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with the people you care about.